Hello viewers, welcome to CodeXlabs. I wish all are you doing great. As you know, we started a HTML series, so this is another new video in that same series. So before moving into the screen, I would like to recommend, if you are the new user, just please go and watch videos from the playlist. I'll give the link in the bio and in iCards also. Please go to from beginning, then only you will be understand, otherwise you may miss some concepts. So if you are already existing user, you can continue this one. Without getting delay, let's jump into the screen. And area is actually inline tag, I forgot. And this we can use along with map tag. Okay, map tag, when we are using some Google Maps, there we can use this one. Suppose actually this map we can use with on images. If you want to be click functions or anything, there we can use the map function. Okay, it is not showing. Let's take some random image, save image on my desktop, HTML. I'm saying google.png. so my source is google.png. Now let's try with image tag. We can use alt also. So alt attribute used whenever there is image or something which is not loaded, it will show the alternate text. So you can see, so somehow it is not able to import or display this image. It's src. So now I can able to see this image. I'm giving the name for this map, something like use map. I'm using the map tag I want to use. So my map is, my name is test map. Okay, now I can create a map tag. Okay, instead of my map I can use my map. I have to define name, name. So what is my map name? Test map. Come on, test map. Okay, now these properties will be included and these two combined together. Now I will give, has to be hash test map. This hash and dot will see whenever the id classes comes into picture. Okay, now we are seeing that now we can use area. This is area. I'm just closing this tag here, and you don't need to specifically close this one. This is the single tags, and I can use shape is equals to, shape is the one of the attribute, rectangle. Okay, so what is mine, and I have to define coordinates. I am just using styling sheets to define. We'll cover each and everything later. Styles we can use directly, styling sheets, and I am using 1 centimeter. Also we'll use width of this one. Width is equals to something like 200, and we can define width and height like this, and I'll cover with the height also. Here height is equals to something like 400. I guess it will be not good, so it must be expanded. I can use something like 200. Yeah, it's okay. Now width is 200 and height is also 200. And the one thing is, generally if you use the images, by default if you give width, it will automatically take height also. It will generally sometimes, but sometimes it won't be take. You have to define height manually. Okay, it's upon where you are using and what are the remaining properties, and if there is any CSS, that properties default will be applied to this particular image tag. Okay, and border color, we have to define type solid. And 1 pixel, and you don't need to specifically mention that color. Yes, so now a border is property will be directly applied, and if you want to apply for the border style, can apply for border. So this we can apply text also, as well as images also, with height and border, and I can change color something like blue. Okay, you can see this color and this is the color. These are the CSS properties we can see in later, and but just can just remember this one. We can apply CSS like this. And so now we have the area, and now we can use easily coordinates. So I am defining coordinates as 50, 50, and these are my coordinates, and I have to refer this to this page. Okay, what it means: 50, 50, okay. This is not working because I'm giving the all 4 50s, so I have to start from 0. This is x1, y1. So because we are defining the rectangle, so in a rectangle we have to starting point x1, y1 and ending point x2, y2. So now you can see, if I click only this position, it will take me into other position. If I click anywhere in my images, it won't work. So similarly, you can just embed at this. Instead of image, you can import the map, Google Maps. So you can, if this location is clicked, so it will take you into the new location. So you can create that kind of properties. So whenever you click in other location, the functionality will only work. And if you click only here, it will take you into here. We'll try to add this CSS also to identify this location, but not now. We'll see later. It is already very length for this tag. And area. So suppose if you want to be rectangle, instead of circle, we can say if you want to circle, or if you can want to be circle. Okay, you have to define. Circle has the three properties. Radius. Okay, you have to provide the radius. No need to give the 4 properties. So I am giving from starting is 50, and radius. What are the properties that we have to give the circle? So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and radius from here onwards, or I can do one thing. I can give 100, from 100, 100. So from center to with a radius of 50, from here to radius of 50 it will take. Now if I click here, it is taking into this google.com. I will try it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Till we are going to the next session, have a small break. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.